Good morning, extra passion.
If you want me to cut the video, say Mike cut the video here.
You heard that, Mike. Good morning, extra passengers. It is currently 4 a.m. in the morning, and we are heading down to Walt Disney World to celebrate my girlfriend's birthday. Hopefully, we get a chance to ride Rise of Resistance. Wish us luck.
Alright guys, so it's 6 a.m. now, park opens at 7. So on a Friday morning, what it's looking like right now is that we're parked at the second row from the very front. We got people racing towards the gate right now, but the process that we know so far is that you can't get a boarding pass until the park officially opens. So that means before the park opens, you and your party all have to be linked together through the My Disney Experience app, and you can have everybody's phone pulled up, and then you have to make sure everybody in your party has scanned in. That is crucial. Like if you got mom or dad still waiting outside to get someone in and park opens up, you're not going to be able to really get the same boarding pass at that time. You have to be extremely lucky. So once it opens up at 7, everyone refreshes their app, tries to sign up for a boarding group, and right then and there it's the luck of the draw. Like even if you get here first, you're the first one to scan in the park, there's no guarantee you'll get that first boarding group. You could get boarding group 141, and then someone who just scanned in can get boarding group 16. It's the luck of the draw. So we're gonna see how our luck plays out here for us today. Alright, 6:08 a.m., 50 minutes till park officially opens, and this is what the queues are looking like. They're just queuing people up and en masse. Alright guys, so we made it in. It's currently 6:25 right now. They started opening the park at around 6:15. So we got in pretty quick. It was a large crowd, but right now we're just playing the waiting game. Everyone's got their phones out. We're all linked up together right now. So right at 7, we're gonna hit that refresh on our app. Okay guys, so we're all in the park. We have all of our phones out, and then we're all linked together through My Disney Experience. And to check that, you can go to the 3 bottom right hand dots, the lines over there, and you can go to like my profile, friends and family list, and you want to make sure that everybody in your party, once it loads.
So what you want to do?
Oh, hi David.
For whenever you're trying to get all of us boarding pass.
So
Find out more.
yep. So we have Ira there. We have myself. We have Angel, and we have Ian. So what happens is you'll want to go to the Rise of Resistance banner. That's on the main My Disney Experience apps right at the front. Tap on those. Right now it's currently closed. Come 7 o'clock, you'll want to close the app out, and then you can reopen it, and then you're gonna this grayed out text right there, join boarding group, will turn blue. You want to click on that, and then you're going to want to select everybody in your party, and then press reserve. And that's the fastest way to get a secured boarding group at rope drop for Hollywood Studios Rise of the Resistance. And we will be sure to show you guys that in about 23 minutes. And while we're waiting, we're going to check out some merch at Mickey's of Hollywood. So Ian just pointed out something here. Even standard Spirit jerseys that are just off the rack, not limited edition or anything, or no new releases, they all are starting at $70 now. Went up from $65 about 2 weeks ago. And the same thing over here with the ears, but their price has increased by another $5 since, I want to say it's been, hey Angel, it's been like a month now, right?
What?
It's been a month now, right, since the ears went up in price?
Yeah.
Because they were how much before? $24.99?
Yeah.
And now they are $29.99. So
you're now paying the price of what they were originally before, because once you apply the annual pass discount, it goes back down to $29.
right. Guys, when you're buying any merch here, make sure you use it. Take advantage of the annual pass discount. 20% off is, yeah, you're still paying Disney prices for merch, but 20% off is 20% off. Can't beat that. Oh, and there it is again. This is the one I want so bad, but I just don't know if I want to pull the trigger on it yet.
Graduation.
Love the colors on it. And it's got like Pixar balls all around it. Oh, and this one. I don't know what it is. I think it's just because it's such a bright color. It's so like unique. Plus it does have like, it's not just, I forgot what it's called. What's it called again? Embroidered? Not embroidered. Embossed. That's the word of the day, embossed. So it's like, it's not just printed on there. Pretty high quality stuff. For the graduates of 2020, they have a new set of ears. It's actually a bigger cap. You know, put it on for us, Angel? You want to put it on for us, Ian? Ian's actually the one graduating here this year in 2020, so let's see him model it.
Uh-oh. Wait, there's a tie.
Tight.
Oh my. So Ian just made a good point here on how to, or like one of the quicker ways on how to get a boarding pass. Go ahead, Ian.
Click find out more. Then it shows you can't join a boarding group because the park isn't open yet. You click on my status, you still can't join a boarding group because the park isn't open yet, but you still can refresh, and it'll show the exact same time you didn't refresh the app. So I just might keep doing this until it says I can join a boarding group whenever it hits 7 o'clock.
Nice. And also, if you have more than 2 people in your party, definitely try having one connect to the Disney guest Wi-Fi and then one using the cell phone service. Whichever one of you guys gets better service in the area to have a better chance of getting connected. And guys, I don't think there's ever going to be a slow period now for Disney with just how much traffic they've got coming through right now. It's about 10 minutes till open. They opened the gates about 45 minutes ago, and there's still people coming in. I think this is actually a heavier flow of people coming in right now. Guys, it's like 2.5 minutes out, and Ian's stress dancing.
Welcome to Disney
15 seconds.
Studios.
Okay.
A virtual queue is being used for admission to the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction.
All right.
Guests hoping to confront
Five,
the First Order
4,
in Star Wars
3,
Rise of the Resistance.
Ready?
Two,
Go ahead.
To join the virtual
1.
queue
Go, 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 go.
Refresh at 7.
or with the assistance of the guest experience team located throughout the park.
Keep
Please
refreshing.
note, the virtual queue will be used for the Star Wars Rise
Everybody
of the
keep going, keep going. I'm
and does not apply
waiting for that blue light to come up.
Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thank you and enjoy your
Loading
time
current
here at
status. Come on.
Studios.
Come on. Angel, you got it?
Yeah, your party, group 43.
Okay, yes.
Alright, let's go.
All right. What did we get? 43?
Screenshot.
Screenshot it. Yep. Angel's already got the screenshot.
Woo! Okay, let's go.
Guys, you guys can hear the cheers for everybody around us right now, for those of them who've gotten a boarding group so far. And one thing that we learned on day 1 is that you want us, whoever gets that boarding group, screenshot it, because sometimes, like on our first day here, on opening day, it actually disappeared on us, and then we were almost not let back in, but Angel saved us with a screenshot. So screenshot that. Oh man, you can hear everybody just cheering.
I actually had to leave the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi was too slow, so I took it off
That's
Wi-Fi.
why mine wasn't working.
And then as soon as I switched it out to my data, then we were all good.
Oh, okay. So you had to take. You said you got off Wi-Fi.
Yes, because Wi-Fi was slow. Because
Okay.
everybody's on it.
All right. Lessons learned there, guys. Get off the Wi-Fi. Apparently, that's not meta anymore. Get off the Wi-Fi. Get on. As long as you have good service. Make sure you have good service, guys. All right, guys. So this was for today, Friday, January 31st. So that's our guide right now on how to secure a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance here in Hollywood Studios, Orlando, Florida. I don't know what this is like or what they're doing over in Disneyland over in California, but as of right here, This is like, get here, just be in the park with your party, make sure everyone's linked to each other on My Disney Experience. And Wi-Fi was not the play this time. It used to be the play, but now getting off the Wi-Fi, getting onto your cellular network, as long as you have at least, I want to recommend maybe like
Yeah.
2 bars of service, just so that it makes a solid connection.
I was like, mine was like, I was.
So Ian was just telling me here, like within a span of a minute, seemed like all the boarding groups just kind of like got dispersed almost immediately. Like we got, what did we get? 41?
43.
We have 43, and then just people to our left of us. We don't know how long they've been waiting for us, or waiting with us, but I think they got like 63.
We had 76 last time, and that was
So
around 2 o'clock.
it's really the luck of the draw.
Yeah.
But now, time to relax, enjoy the rest of our morning until it's time for us to go back. And you'll know when to come back when you receive a notification on your phone, and it'll be like, hey, now boarding crew, this 41 through 52. Then you make sure you want to come back
Unless you guys
and get to experience Rise of the Resistance. Thank you for being our one extra passenger.
Years up.
We will be taking flight momentarily.
See ya.